Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bloom in Blender. Bloom is a post-processing effect that adds a beautiful glow to the brightest parts of your scene, making light sources and reflections appear more vibrant. It significantly enhances the visual realism and overall aesthetic of your renders. You will find this powerful feature within the Render Properties panel, and it works seamlessly with both the Eevee and Cycles render engines. To begin, open your Blender project and navigate to the Render Properties panel, which is represented by a camera icon. Locate the Bloom checkbox and simply click it to enable the effect in your scene. Next, you will want to adjust the threshold setting, which dictates how bright an area must be to start glowing. A lower threshold means more areas will bloom. Then, modify the radius to control how far the glow spreads from its source. Beyond the basic settings, you have more precise controls. The intensity slider scales the overall strength of the bloom effect, allowing you to make it more subtle or pronounced. You can also change the color of the bloom, adding a unique tint to your glows. The clamp value sets an upper limit for the bloom, preventing overexposure, while Ni softens the transition between non-blooming and blooming areas, creating a more natural look. For the most impactful results, remember to use bloom judiciously. Too much can make your scene look washed out. It works exceptionally well when paired with emissive materials, making light sources truly pop. Always experiment with the various settings to achieve the specific mood and atmosphere you envision for your render. Pay close attention to your scene's overall lighting, as bloom interacts directly with bright areas, enhancing their visual presence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.